Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of any cruise, exploring your ship. We're on Utopia of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's newest ship, and in this video I'm going to take you on a tour, share the best spots to relax, where to hang out if you've got kids, where to find some adventure, and give you the lowdown on what to expect on the last day of your cruise. Let's go!
Before we get into the nitty-gritty of where to go and what to do, let's talk a bit about the ship. Utopia of the Seas is the sixth ship in the Oasis class, built by Royal Caribbean and launched in July 2024. This is the second largest vessel in the world, weighing just under 237,000 gross tons and stretching 1,188 feet in length. That's almost as much as 4 football fields. The ship can hold up to 5,668 guests at full capacity, with a crew of around 2,290 to take care of everything you need.
First things first, let's talk about the layout. Utopia of the Seas is a large ship, spanning 18 decks, with a ton of activities and spaces to explore. This ship has various floors of staterooms, mixed with restaurants and entertainment throughout. This allows you to find the fun without having to travel too far. Utopia houses 8 unique neighborhoods: Royal Promenade, which is on Deck 5, the Boardwalk, on Deck 6, Entertainment Zone, Deck 4, Pool and Sports Zone, Decks 15 and 16, Central Park, Deck 8, Youth Zone, Decks 14 through 17, Vitality Spa and Fitness, Deck 5, and the Suite Neighborhood, Decks 17 and 18.
If you're looking to maximize your cruise experience while avoiding the crowds, timing is everything. One of the busiest times on the ship tends to be around midday, especially during lunch hours. To enjoy a more peaceful dining experience, consider heading to the buffet between 1:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. This is when guests are either lounging by the pool or engaging in scheduled activities, allowing you to savor your meal without the hustle and bustle. Or between 8 and 9 p.m. You can find great window seating to watch the water show while you eat. When it comes to the pool deck, the peak hours are usually from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you're keen on catching some sun or enjoying the pool, aim for early mornings or late afternoons, between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. This way you can relax in the sun or take a dip in the pool without the crowds. Plus, during these off-peak times, you'll have a better chance of snagging a prime sunbed and enjoying the serene atmosphere. Compared to smaller ships, you will not find it difficult to locate an open seat throughout the day. As for activities and rides, such as the water slides, the Ultimate Abyss, or the Flowrider Surf Simulator, the best time to visit is right when they open, typically around 10 a.m. Alternatively, early evening around 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. can also be a quieter time, as many guests are dining or preparing for evening shows. By planning your schedule around these off-peak hours, you can enjoy everything Utopia of the Seas has to offer without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. We saw this firsthand when we came back early from Coco Cay and were immediately able to get on the Ultimate Abyss. 2 hours later, there was a 30-minute line.
If you are about solace and relaxation on your cruise, this can be found in the tranquil Vitality Spa, where guests can indulge in rejuvenating treatments and therapies designed to melt away stress. The Serene adults-only solarium offers a peaceful retreat, complete with lush greenery and soothing water features, perfect for lounging in a hammock or soaking in a hot tub. For those seeking a more natural escape, Central Park provides quiet nooks for those seeking meditation, and the deck areas showcase panoramic ocean views, ideal for enjoying the gentle sound of waves. Whether you prefer a calm reading corner or a blissful spa experience, the ship offers an array of spaces to unwind and recharge.
If you're cruising with kids, there's plenty to choose from. From the exhilarating Splashway Bay water park, complete with slides and splash pads, to the Adventure Ocean Youth Program, which provides age-appropriate games and activities, there's no shortage of fun. Kids can also explore the thrilling Flowrider Surf Simulator. If they are older than 6, at least 52 inches tall, and have a guardian with them, as a waiver will need to be signed. Try their hand at rock climbing on the climbing wall, or even take part in science experiments and arts and crafts sessions. Plus, with family-friendly dining options and entertaining shows in the evenings, Utopia of the Seas ensures that everyone, from toddlers to teens, has a memorable cruise experience.
On the Utopia of the Seas, activities and entertainment abound, ensuring there's something for everyone. The boardwalk area offers a unique blend of fun and excitement, featuring a classic carousel and live entertainment at the Aqua Theater, where you can catch spectacular aerial shows and water performances. For those looking for an engaging night out, the ship hosts a variety of bar shows, including interactive performances at venues like the Rising Tide Bar and Boleros. Adventure seekers can ride the exhilarating Flowrider Surf Simulator, take a slide on the 10-story tall Ultimate Abyss, or tackle the 43-foot rock climbing wall. For a more laid-back experience, the state-of-the-art Royal Theater and Studio B showcase unique shows made specifically for this ship. The stage show and water shows are breathtaking, but more on that in another video. If you want to try your hand at adult scavenger hunts, trivia, and karaoke, you will find something every moment of the day. With a diverse lineup of entertainment options, there's never a dull moment on board.
So when's the best time to explore the ship? If you like to take in everything without crowds, mornings are your best bet. Most people are either still sleeping or having breakfast, especially since this is the ultimate weekend cruise, so you'll find the ship's public spaces almost empty. Another great time is during port days, especially if you choose to stay on board. While most guests are out exploring the port, you can have the ship's amenities all to yourself. Unlike other ships we sailed on, the ship will still be alive and fairly busy very late into the night, midnight or later, so come prepared.
Now, let's talk about the last day of your cruise. It's usually a bittersweet day, but if you know what to expect, you can make the most of it. First, you'll need to pack up your belongings and have your bags ready for pickup the night before you disembark. If you want an expedited debarkation, you can carry your luggage off directly. On the morning of your last day, you'll have breakfast in the main dining room or windjammer. But keep in mind, it'll be a bit more crowded than usual as everyone is getting ready to leave. If you want to avoid the rush, consider hanging out in one of the quieter lounges or outside on the deck. Or grab a coffee and snack at Cafe Promenade, right across from where you will debark the ship. 1 to 2 days prior to debarkation, you can use your Royal Caribbean app to select the time you wish to leave the ship within an hour window. The app will then let you know the exact time you can be prepared to leave the ship. Just remember, you will embark and disembark on Deck 5.
And there you have it, your guide to navigating Utopia of the Seas like a pro. Whether you're here to relax, entertain the kids, or find some adventure, this ship has something for everyone. I hope these tips help you find those perfect spots to relax and enjoy your cruise to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and cruise guides. Until next time,
Happy sailing!